Coffee Kittens and Crafts. My name is Amber, and today we are going to be planning or decorating the month of July in my big happy planner. And what I put together for this spread was actually kind of fun. It's my first time using a monthly kit like what you get on Etsy. So this kit was by this part of the kit was by Tra La La Stickers, and the link to that will be in the description box down below. And then I also incorporated some of these red, white, and blue flowers. The link to those will also be in the description box. But anyway, I thought that it was kind of cute. It's Independence Day in the United States is July 4th, and so it's kind of a red, white, and blue patriotic light spread with the summery red and blue berries and all the things. So I just thought it was kind of fun, and I had fun putting it together. So anyway, that is what we are doing in this spread, and let's see how it turns out. All right, here it is. I really like how this came out. I'll be honest and say that this was one that I was like pretty hesitant about going into it. I was like just not sure how it was going to turn out or if I was going to really like it, but I do. I actually really like it. I think that it's a little bit understated for my normal, but I think that it actually is very cute and I like it a lot. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really enjoyed hanging out with you. And if you enjoyed your time here, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and hitting the bell icon down below so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.